A lathe machine is used in all the engineering applications and also in the college workshops. Lathe machine is used to perform all the basic operations such as drilling, cutting, taping, turning, etc. with the help of different tools placed in the work environment. A lathe machine is a machine tool that uses a cutting tool for removing the material from the surface of the workpiece, which is held in the chuck for holding the workpiece, and feed was provided by the tool on to the workpiece for the removal of material. It is the most versatile and widely used machine in industries, institutions, etc. It should be rigid enough to withstand for the forces acting during machining and self-weight of the workpiece. It should have high damping qualities. It can absorb the vibrations induced during machining. It should act as a house for keeping some of the parts of a machine tool like prime mover of a machine, gearbox, coolant tank, etc. The shape of the bed is selected such that the reduction in the rigidity of machine tools should be minimum, and it should provide the maximum amount of the space. They are guiding the moving parts in a machine tool. They act as a mediator for transmitting forces to the bed of a machine tool. The material used for the manufacturing of guideways should possess high wear resistance, high damping qualities, and low ductility. Whatever the energy required for performing the machining operation is obtained from prime mover. The very first prime mover used in machining is IC engine, but because of noise pollution and the result of the reciprocating parts after the invention of electrical motors, the electrical motors are used as a prime mover in the machine tools. Whenever the power supply is given to the induction motor, it always starts rotating at only one particular RPM, i.e. designed RPM. Even though prime mover is rotating at only one particular RPM, to get the different RPM of the spindle on a job during machining of different sizes of the components at different velocities, it is required to use mechanical transmission system between the prime mover and the spindle. The most commonly used mechanical transmission system is the belt drive with stepped pulley because during machining operation, any sudden increased forces will cause to split the belt, but no failure is taking place. The headstock is acting as a house for keeping some of the parts like transmission system, prime mover, etc. and it also acts as a support for supporting the components at one side. Thanks for watching, until next time.